In triangle ABCD, M is the midpoint of CD, EB equals 6, and AE equals 8. Compute the area of ABCD. So first, we're going to make dotted lines in between point E in order to form right angles. Next, we're going to reflect the dotted lines here to split up the AB into 3 parts. So these AB in 3 parts we'll label as C. Now, BC is also split up into 3 parts. So we're going to label this part here B, and this part right here as 1.5 B. Next, we're going to use the Pythagorean theorem in order to find the sides. So we're going to use this triangle right here. So the theorem here would be 2c squared plus b squared equals 8 squared, which equals 64. Simplified, it would be 4c squared plus b squared equals 64. Now we also need to use another triangle right here. Now using the theorem for that, we get c squared plus b squared equals 36. Now we're just going to subtract the 2 theorems, and we'll get 3c squared equals 28. We did this so we could solve for c. So we get c squared equals 28 over 3, and after taking the square root and moving the radical out of the denominator, we get c equals 2 square root 21 over 3. Now we found c. But now we have to find b. In order to do that, we're going to use c squared plus b squared equals 36. We plug in 2 square root 21 over 3 for c. B is still unknown, and we have 36. So b squared equals 108 over 3, which is the fraction form of 36, minus 28 over 3, and 28 over 3 equals c squared. Now, when we simplify that, we get b squared equals 80 over 3, and doing all the square roots and the radicals should get b equals 4 square root of 15 over 3. Now we have to find the area. Area equals length times width. Now the length equals 3c because AB is split into 3c. Width is 3 halves of b because we have b and 1/2 b. So the area is 3c times 3 halves b. So it's going to be A equals 3 times 2 square root 21 over 3 times 3 halves times 4 square root 15 over 3. Simplifying that, we get A equals 2 square root 21 times 2 square root 15. And after all the work, we get A equals 4 square root of 315. So the final answer would be the area of rectangle ABCD will be 4 square root of 315.